Hello guys! This is Suzette and welcome back to my channel! For today's vlog, I will teach you how to change your Wi-Fi network and also your password. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. In this vlog guys, I will teach you how to change your Wi-Fi network and your password with your CM5200 cable modem. Okay? And this broadband is for SkyCable or Skyworth only. This method is applicable only for those Sky Network or Skyworth provider. Okay? So guys, if you're a SkyCable user or Skyworth user, you can use this method. So let's start! Take note guys, before we start, make sure na nakalagin tayo sa ating Sky Network Wi-Fi. Kasi, once we're connected to our Wi-Fi connection, it will direct to our account once we log in to the browser. First thing we do guys, is mag-login tayo sa ating browser. You can log in using your mobile phone or your computer. Okay, I'll be using my computer. So first thing we do, log into our browser. Just type in sa address bar 192.168.100.1. Okay, then click enter. So it will direct to our web manager. Dito sa web manager ay maglalagin tayo ng ating username at ng password. But since bago pa lang tayo nagpa-install, wala muna tayo account. So, we'll leave the username blank and the password is admin. All small letters lang guys. Okay? Admin, then click enter. As you can see here dito sa mga menu, just press wireless. And then, click natin dito sa sub-menu, si primary network. And then, you can choose 2G or 5G. You can change both password, guys. Okay? Here, makikita natin, guys, yung SSID o network name. At dito sa ibaba, ay makikita natin yung ating password. Or WPA pre-shared key. So, yan yung password natin, guys. Pwede na tayong mag-change ng ating SSID or network name at saka yung password. As you can see dito sa mga ibang settings guys, huwag na nating pakialaman. Okay, all we have to do is i-change lang yung SSID o network name at saka yung password. The rest, huwag nating galawin. Once done na tayo dito, all we have to do is click apply. So, diba? Napakadali lang. Once we click the apply guys, tapos na. All are changed. Once na-change natin ang ating Wi-Fi network at yung password natin guys, ay pwede na nating i-change yung ating web manager. Ang web manager guys, is yung nakita natin ng unang step. Kung saan nilagin natin yung username at yung password. So since blanco yun, pwede natin siyang i-adjust. So, paano mag-adjust? Punta lang tayo sa system at yung sub-menu, yung password. And then, we can change the password. And then, we just click apply. So, yan. So, ganyan lang guys, di ba? Very easy and a quick way to change your Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi network. I hope may natutunan kayo for today's vlog. And if you're satisfied with the process, please don't forget to click like and subscribe! Please guys, it would be a great help for me and for my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye!
Here, subscribe to our channel!